Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you get 94 right midfielder Patrick Hermann, how to do the end of era exchange in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new to this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get on a reward from this game. Let's get started by tap exchange button, and this one, the end of an era. As you can see, this is list of retired player or player that decided to change the club because too old. And this one, the newer one, we got here Patrick Hermann, 33 year old from Germany, play for a Mönchengladbach. Here you can get Patrick Hermann by exchange with 92 OVR plus player and one player with 90 plus OVR and one player with 90 plus a OVR player. So total 3 players that you can exchange to fulfill the condition. After that, you can tap this exchange button to get Patrick Hermann. So please feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. The chocolate text button below. Enjoy the game.